During the early days of the new version of Windows, the system may still have bugs and some known errors that negatively affect your experience. However, since this problem typically affects a small portion of device, instead of pulling off the update, Microsoft places an update block to temporarily prevent affected computer from getting the feature update. After the issue has been fixed by Microsoft or external sources, the company will remove the block to allow previously affected device to update. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shaem Tech PD. Today I will discuss how to bypass safeguard block to upgrade to Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Local Group Policy Editor. Select the top result to open the Local Group Policy Editor. Expand Computer Configuration. Expand Administrative Templates. Expand Windows Components. Expand Windows Update. Open Manage Update Offer from Windows Update. Double-click the Disable Safeguard from Feature Update Policy. Select the Enable option. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Restart your computer. Once you complete the step, the compatibility block will be removed. You will be able to use Windows Update settings to download and install the 2022 update. After the installation, the policy will reset and we will need to configure it again if your device has a compatibility hold during the next feature update rollout. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.